Welcome to Maths class. I am your Manjunath sir. My dear students, today we studying the new concept that is arithmetic progression. So, first point is sequence. What is sequence? Sequence is a list of numbers having specific relation between the consecutive terms is generally called a sequence. Dear students, observe the following examples. First one is 1, 3, 5, 7. Dear students, what you observe here? So, we adding one fixed value or fixed number. So, dear students, here when we adding 2 with 1, we get a 3. Adding 2 with 3, we get a 5. Adding 2 with 5, we get a 7. Similarly, dear students, what is the next term? Shall you guess? No. Now we can say that is 9. When we adding 2 with a 7, we get a 9. Dear students, the next term is obtained by adding 2 with it. So this is the sequence. Similarly, in the second example, 2, 6, 18, 54 up to so on. Here, dear students, when we multiply 3 with a 2, then we get a 6. When we multiply 3 with a 6, we get a 18. Next, when we multiply 3 with a 18, we get a 54. Similarly, dear students, so we can say it is also the sequence. So, dear students, sequence is a list of numbers having specific relation between the consecutive terms. Okay, dear students, now we come to the main point, that is arithmetic progression. Now we can say, what is arithmetic progression? Dear students, if various terms of a sequence are formed by adding a fixed number to the previous term, or the difference between two successive terms is a fixed number, then the sequence is called AP. Dear students, you observe the following examples. In the first one, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. The sequence of even numbers is an example of an AP. Dear students, it is a sequence of even numbers. Already you know the even numbers: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, like this. And similarly, dear students, we consider the second example: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, so on. In this, each term is obtained by adding a 5 to the preceding term, except first term. Dear students, when we adding the fixed value to the preceding term except the first term, then we get the arithmetic progression. The fixed value is called common difference of arithmetic progression. It is abbreviated as CD and it is denoted by the small letter D. Dear students, you observe the diagram here. So skin color or brown color faces are indicates the D, and light blue color faces are indicates the A. Dear students, first one is A, that is the first term. When we adding 1D to the A, we get A plus D. Similarly, dear students, 1A and above that light blue color, we have the two brown color faces that indicates 2D. Similarly, this one A plus 3D. So, dear students, here this diagram is indicates the general form of an arithmetic progression, that is A plus D, A plus 2D, a plus 3d up to so on a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and d is called the common difference of an arithmetic progression. What is common difference? The fixed number which is obtained by subtracting any term of AP from its previous term. Dear students, when we subtract any term from the preceding term of an AP, then we get the common difference. You see that. Now you observe the example, that is A1, A2, A3, so on. Dear students, if you want the common difference, then we can write the formula like this: D is equals to A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2, that is equals to D. So here you observe the one example, that is 2, 4, 6 up to so on. It is an AP. Here we want the common difference. How can we find it? Dear students, the succeeding term is A2, preceding term is A1. When we subtract the preceding term in a succeeding term, when we get the common difference. Here we subtract the 2 in 4, we get 2. Similarly, 4 is subtract in 6, we get 2. Dear students, in both A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2 are same. That's why we conclude that the common difference of 2, 4, 6 is 2. Dear students, that is write down like this: D is equals to 2. Okay, dear students, if we take first term of an AP as a small letter a and common difference as a small letter d, then the nth term of that AP will be, write down, an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is very important, dear students. So that is an is equals to a plus n minus